The most expensive cars in the world are about so much more than transportation. These rolling works of art encapsulate the priorities of the 1%, and in that universe, flamboyance and swagger take precedence over practicality and efficiency. Lifestyle criticisms aside, these are truly mind-blowing machines. So whether your name is XYZ, these rides are for you. See, the most luxurious people carriers on the planet. They say money can't buy happiness. But after viewing this list of the most expensive cars, you might give it some thoughts. Rolls-Royce Sweptail. Rolls-Royce will build you anything if you have a thick enough wallet to pay for it. Take the Sweptail, for example. It's a one-off coupe that a customer commissioned from the ground up. Its design draws inspiration from the brand's classic models, while borrowing styling cues from the world of super yachts. Nearly every part of this car is unique. And the project took 4 years from start to finish, which explains why it cost approximately $13 million. Mercedes-Benz Maybach Exelero. By far the most expensive car on our list. The Maybach Exelero makes its appearance under honorable mentions due to its one-off status. The Maybach was also built way back in 2004. But that actually makes its sticker price more impressive. Adjusted for inflation, the Exelero would cost around $10.1 million in the United States today, which is close to the GDP of a small island nation. Money and Maybach are about as closely related as peanut butter and jelly. But the two-door further justifies its cost with a 700 horsepower, twin-turbo V12, and luxurious amenities. Cost approximately $8 million. Koenigsegg CCXR Trevita. Koenigsegg makes its first appearance on our list with the CCXR Trevita, and it does so as the most expensive street-legal production car in the world. With no exaggeration, the car is literally coated in diamonds, and diamonds aren't cheap. For the Trevita, the Swedish manufacturer developed a new exterior finish called the Koenigsegg Proprietary Diamond Weave, which involves coating carbon fibers with a diamond dust-impregnated resin. We can't even fathom how much the touch-up paint costs. Cost approximately $4.8 million. Lamborghini Veneno. Poison. That's the name Lamborghini chose for the modified Aventador Roadster you see above, translated from Italian. Of course, built to celebrate the automaker's 50th birthday. We can't speak for the company's motivations. But the name is fitting for a vehicle that looks so positively deadly, so undeniably venomous. The car is absolutely stunning from every angle, and to this day, we're not convinced it isn't an alien spacecraft surveying our planet for eventual takeover. It just doesn't seem real. The only thing more remarkable than the look is the price, a whopping $4.5 million. Clearly putting it on our list of the most expensive cars. The Veneno is fast, and that should come as no surprise. Its 6.5-liter V12 spins all the way up to 8,400 revolutions per minute. To deliver 740 horsepower and 507 pounds-to-foot, surging the car to 60 miles per hour in 2.9 seconds. W Motors Lykan Hypersport. You may recall the Lykan Hypersport from its starring role in the blockbuster Furious 7, in which the Lebanese supercar crashed through not one but 3 skyscrapers in Dubai. In a franchise filled with high-end exotics and one-off custom creations, the fact that the Hypersport got so much focus is a testament to its magnetism. Let's start with the styling, which includes jewel-encrusted headlights, scissor doors, and an interior ripped straight from science fiction. It looks like a pissed-off armored car from the future, and its performance is right on par with its image. The Hypersport boasts a 3.7-liter, twin-turbo flat-six that yields 770 horsepower and 708 pounds-to-foot. It's not just Dominic Toretto who benefits from this level of performance though. The Abu Dhabi police force has drafted the Hypersport into patrol duty, although it's mainly used for marketing and public relations purposes. The high-flying stunner assures that the authorities can keep up with any baddie who tries to get cute on the freeway. Pedal to the floor, 0 to 62 miles per hour is accomplished in just 2.8 seconds. And top speed is a downright scary 240 miles per hour. Cost approximately $4.5 million. Limited edition Bugatti Veyron by Mansory Vivere. This list wouldn't be complete without some version of the mighty Bugatti Veyron. We're shining our spotlight on the Mansory Vivere edition here. Because not only is it one of the fastest cars in the world, it's one of the most expensive. Augmented by German witch doctors Mansory, the 1,200 horsepower Veyron starts out as a Grand Sport Vitesse Roadster, only to be adorned with a gorgeous carbon fiber body, a new spoiler package, upgraded LED lights, a revamped cabin, and a redesigned front grille, further classifying the Veyron as a work of art. Maps of historic race events like the Targa Florio are laser etched into the exterior and interior. Oh! And it can do 254 miles per hour. Cost approximately $3.4 million. If you like these pieces of art we presented to you, please subscribe to our channel. Click that little bell and keep up to date with new videos. Help us to keep up the channel. Thanks for watching.